Driving lesson on driving school on Cortelyou Wood, Brooklyn, New York. Driving lesson on Cortelyou Wood, Brooklyn, New York. This is Ben here with Pierre driving school. Cover a few left and right here on Cortelyou Wood, Brooklyn, New York. All right, things that are for you to do, making a left turn here. The course traffic has the right of way. We have to let the course traffic clear. Okay, course traffic has the right of way. All right, when course traffic is clear, mirror left, shoulder left, and go with the turn. All right, this is Cortelyou Wood, Brooklyn, New York. This has been here with Pierre driving school, covering a few left and right on Cortelyou Wood, Brooklyn, New York. All right, so as we go in here, is a 2-lane street. We keep in the middle of your lane. You don't want to be too off to your right, not too off to the left. Neither you do not want to be driving onto the yellow line. You see how am I now? You don't want to be driving this way. All right, coming off your lane, stay in your lane. All right. Otherwise, that's going to be driving under oncoming traffic. You will fail the road test for that. You don't have time for that, all right? When you're going over the speed bump, you slow down, drop to the speed limit required by the speed bump. It says you had 20 miles per hour. It can be slower because 20 miles per hour kind of flying too much, all right? So this is Cortelyou Wood here, Brooklyn, New York. These are the area we cover as well. If you live on those areas, I want Pierre Driving School to help you. Check out pierrepauldraiving.com. We cover left and right and a few tips and tricks, things that they offer you to do when you practice doing your driving lesson here in Brooklyn, so you can not only familiarize with things they offer you to do and also have a better understanding of what to do, especially when you're preparing to take your wood test here, okay? So this Cortelyou Wood here, Brooklyn, New York. Nice speed bump here. Very nice, quiet at this morning. Okay. We're gonna make a left turn here at the intersection coming here. Left turn here. We signal the turn. All right. We're gonna do a mirror left, shoulder left. There's no traffic coming. Make your left turn nice and smooth. All right. Nice and smooth. We're making a right turn at the corner here. Is it coming up to a full stop? We're gonna make the stop. You know how we do the stop. Make sure we stop where everybody can see everybody. Oh, first one here is for the humans. There's no humans coming. Second is for traffic. Okay, traffic is clear. Now I see traffic coming down the road. Before I make that turn, then I'm gonna make sure that I check my mirrors and shoulders. In real life, I've call of gun, but for the purpose of the wood test, whenever you can see the traffic coming on your block, you have to let it clear. Okay, for the purpose of wood test. This is a driving lesson in Cortelyou Wood, Brooklyn, New York. All right. Mirror right, shoulder right, making your turn and off the bike lane. All right, off the bike lane. Okay. Ahead, what do I see? I see a school bus ahead of me. The school bus. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna signal on the opposite side of the school bus. Okay. I'm gonna verify mirrors and shoulders. Okay. Mirror left, shoulder left, and go around. All right. And I'm gonna signal my thing, my indication to your right here. Mirror right, shoulder right, and bring it back on. Okay, beautiful. We're gonna make a right turn again on Cortelyou Wood, Brooklyn, New York. Okay, I see a sign, let me know that it's coming. I have the right away here because I'm making the right turn here. This is going to making a left turn. Mirror right, shoulder right, and fall right into my lane. The road is tiny. You have to make sure that you keep within your lane, okay? Both hands on the steering wheel and driving within the speed distance. Wood is slippery. You can drive below 25, above 20. Otherwise, you'll be driving too slow. That's impeding the traffic flow. Okay, see the speed I'm moving in? Nice and smooth. Both hands on the steering wheel, nothing extra. This is Cortelyou Wood, Brooklyn, New York. Those are your Pierre Driving School. We cover those lessons as well. Anything you want us to cover for you in particular, put in the comment below. That's where we get most of our video topic coming from the thing that you guys want us to do, all right? Traffic is building up here. It's okay, we didn't block up the crosswalk. We continue to go. moving along, leave the car in front of you where you can see the tire on the ground. Otherwise, you follow too closely, all right? So the thing that you have to be on the lookout for. If the traffic is moving 10, you cannot be doing too much, then that'll be a problem. All right, folks, anything you want us to do, put in the comment below, all right? That's where the speed bump coming up, traffic in front of me slowing down, we do the same thing, right? Left turn at this traffic light coming up, signal the turn. It ain't no rush, we're not gonna make it because you see the light is already blinking. So the guy in front of us is picking up speed. We're not picking up speed because it's not clear. This guy ran the red light anyway. All right, just been here with Pierre Driving School. This lesson was in Cortelyou Wood, Brooklyn, New York. Until then, keep practicing. This has been Pierre Driving School. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.